Hey, yo, I'm about to tell you exactly how I made $1,400 on TikTok as someone who had never made money on TikTok before, never even knew that I could make money on TikTok. I have a 9-to-5 job. I'm not tech savvy. I'm a millennial, so you would think that I am, but I'm not. I didn't have a lot of money to invest in myself in order to make something happen, but I knew that I needed to do something because I needed a way to make some extra money. The first thing I did was I used my Afterpay account to invest in a program that taught me the skill sets that I needed to go out here to be able to market on social media the right way. It gave me step-by-step instructions on how to do that, and all I had to do was show up, apply those step-by-step instructions, and just consistently follow the process. Believe that it will work for me, and guess what? Literally 21 days after doing it, I was sitting right here on this couch and I received my first notification right here that I have received $300. All from someone who I had never spoke with on TikTok. Now I've been able to create some amazing memories with my wife while living abroad full time, and I don't have to worry about finances. Now I'm able to create beautiful memories with my wife and not worry about how I'm gonna be able to afford to do anything. My bills are paid and I'm just living the life that I truly desired because I know I deserve it. Now this has started a freedom journey for me. I have a mission that I will help 100 people start their freedom journeys as well, because I believe that if you are a millennial, that you tired of working, you tired of robbing Peter to pay Paul, you are sick and tired of everything that feels like a hamster wheel that you will never get off of. If that is you, drop me a 1. I would absolutely love to give you some information on this program that is completely changing my life. And remember, things in your life will never ever change if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.